Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I got bored a bit and thought let's play with a fire. So I have opened first part of cash and carry trade, but I still did not done yet second part, because today I decided that I want to try this strategy which I was talking about and I used a bit, but this time I am using this strategy when the gap is really small. So I have opened uh, a small position for $300 for Ethereum, and I have bought it on spot market and have transferred it to the futures account. I have opened a position on the spot market at $2,740. So I have all set to make a market sell order on the future contract if the price goes down below $2,741. So currently we are looking live on this action. I decided to open this trade because I thought that we can break for this stop, and if we break, our next stop should be around $2,668. This is really good risk reward ratio, 2868 2740. So we should get around 4.5% of premium. Of course there is always the risk. At this point the futures price never reached 2,740 euros. So if we'll reach, I will open a short position. So we will lock our 300 dollars for next I don't know, 23 days. So like I said, this ratio of loss and win it's not bad, because if we will lose only fees that I have paid in the spot market and will pay in the future market. And if we can successfully do this trade, then our profit will be around 4.6%. So let's forward, and I will stop video for now because I don't really want to miss this action. If we go below 2,741, I will short this position. So we have submitted an order, and seems we have submitted around with some plus. So yeah, the entry price was $2,740.69. So yeah, so now what I have to do, I have to check this gap, and if it goes back to zero, then I can close it, or even if it goes to negative side, then I can close it, but of course I will not have any profit this time. But this is my learning process. What you want to do, you never want to do it with full bankroll. I used 1/4 of it. So if I'll have another coming good cash and carry trade, still can use 3/4 of my bankroll. So it's never good to lock your bankroll fully, it's better if you're using aggressive strategies, just first of all to try with a small amount. Then if you are lucky, then you have to decide how much bankroll you want to put on these trades. I do not recommend to do more than 20-25%. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. As we now are in, I don't know how to say, in bear market or in the flat zone, no man's land, I'm trying a different strategies, and I will share these strategies with you, and maybe we will find something great, and we can generate some extra gains till we have a good again cash and carry gap with a good premium. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.